Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mavin's Kitchen. So today's recipe I'm going to show you is the aloo ka paratha recipe. So friends, it is very delicious to have it and it is very easy to make it like a breakfast. And please do try this recipe at your home and please let me know your comments in my comment inbox section. So let's start here. I have taken a bowl and here I'm adding 2 to 3 cups of wheat flour in it. And add salt to taste, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Mix it with your hand very gently like this so that it doesn't form any lumps in it. So after that add little by little water and knead it properly and make it a soft dough. Here it is ready friends. So just rest this dough for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take a kadai here. And here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And here I'm adding 2 large onions chopped. Saute it nicely and let the onions become soft here. So it has become soft and here I'm adding 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. Saute it for a while, and here I have boiled the potatoes and kept it aside. I'm using those potatoes here. Add a little salt as per your taste and half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of zira, the cumin seeds, and mix very gradually. And here cook this mixture on a low flame for at least 15 minutes. So this is ready friends. So let it cool down, let it kept aside. So let's take a dough here. Here knead it one more time like this. So take a small quantity like this. Here it is. And dust a little flour on your rolling pad or rolling pin, whatever it is. And roll this dough like this. And here add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this potato mixture in it and just cover it with your hand like this and give it a press with your hand and roll once again like a chapati. Perfect, like this. So let's take a tawa here and after heat it up, I'm adding this chapati, this paratha on it and roast this paratha by turning towards and flip-flopping towards it. So add a little clarified butter or oil, whichever is comfortable for you. Turn it over and apply the same oil or clarified butter. Again turn it over. So this is your aloo ka paratha is ready friends. Take it in a serving plate. Here it is. Very tasty, very delicious aloo ke paratha is ready. Serve it with a nice tangy pickle. It looks very yummy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.